In Inkscape version 1.3, after transforming an object with the Select tool, we can now press Ctrl-Alt-T to reapply the transformation. And if we press Ctrl-Alt-D, it will apply the previous transformation to a duplicate of the object. We'll learn more about duplicating in an upcoming video. We can also select a different object and apply the previous transformation to it. The default Reapply Transform keyboard shortcuts don't work correctly on Mac or Linux. To change the shortcuts, we can first open up the Preferences dialog by going to Edit, Preferences, then show all of the items for Interface here, choose Keyboard, and now if we search for the word Reapply in the box here, we can see the keyboard shortcuts for both of the Reapply Transform functions. To change one of the shortcuts, we can click it, which changes the text to New Accelerator, and now we can input a different combination of keys, for example Shift-Control-B. And we can do the same for the other one. But because I'm using Windows, I'll just stick with the defaults, so I'll click the Reset button down here.